In this video, we'll show you how to change the tail lights on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Chevrolet Silverado Car Battery. Open the tailgate. To detach the taillight assembly from the vehicle body, remove the two screws with a Phillips screwdriver. To increase the lifespan of the bulbs, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. You can now extract the taillight from its slot. To remove the light bulb sockets, turn them counterclockwise and pull them out. You can now remove the light. You can order the tail light used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new tail light. Put the sockets into the tail light housing and turn them clockwise to lock them in place. The light is held in place by studs encased directly in the car body. Put the lights back in. Screw the two holding screws back in. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.